In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a green screen in CapCut. Whether you prefer the web version or the mobile desktop app, the process is the same and beginner-friendly. Before we start, make sure you have two files ready, a background video and a clip recorded in front of a solid, evenly lit green screen. Good lighting and a clean, consistent green color will help CapCut remove the background more accurately. Open CapCut and start a fresh project by selecting Create New. This gives you a clean timeline to work with. Next, set your canvas to 16:9. That's the standard widescreen format for platforms like YouTube and most monitors. Using 16:9 right from the start keeps everything framed correctly and avoids surprises later. Now, upload your background video and place it on the main timeline. This is the scene that will sit behind your subject. If your background is longer than you need, you can keep the extra for now and decide on the exact timing after you add your overlay. A quick playback will confirm it fills the canvas and looks good at 16:9. Add your green screen clip as an overlay. In CapCut, overlays sit on a layer above your background, which is exactly what we want. Upload the clip with the green backdrop and drop it onto the overlay track. Position and scale it so your subject sits where you want in the frame, centered, lower third, or aligned to match the background's composition. With the overlay selected, open Smart Tools and choose Remove Backgrounds. Then click Auto Removal. CapCut will analyze the clip and automatically cut out the green area, keeping your subject. This may take a moment, especially with longer footage. When it's done, scrub through the timeline to check edges around hair and hands. If you see minor flicker, it's often due to uneven lighting or shadows on the green screen. A steadier, brighter green during recording yields cleaner results. To finish the framing, use Fill to make sure the video covers the canvas without black bars. Apply this to your background and, if needed, to the overlay so everything fits perfectly. Play the sequence back. Adjust the overlay's position and scale for a natural look, and align the in and out points so the subject and background start and end together. Small tweaks here make a big difference in polish. That's it. You've created a clean green screen effect in CapCut using a background, an overlay, smart background removal, and a quick fill to perfect the frame. Save your project, preview the full sequence, and you're ready to use your composited video wherever you need it.